Hello all, my name is Lakshman and today we are going to see the 5 text function. First one is left, right, mid, length and find. So firstly we will see the data. So I have loaded the data from the Excel file. So you can see this is our data. In our data table name is EMP and we have the two columns name and age, right? So suppose left, right, mid, find and length all are the text function. So in some of the situation what we want, we have some employee related information and we want some specific character, right? So now in our situation, suppose we want to split the columns like first name, last name, then at that time we can use the left function. Like suppose if you want first name, then we can use the left, and last name then we can use the right, and like any combination from maybe the we want to start from specific number, then at that time we use the mid function. And if you want to know the how many characters in particular name column for the each row, then we use the length function. And if you want to find any particular character, then we use the find function. So let's see the practically. Firstly we will use the length function. So as I mentioned, we want each row length. So I will click on the new column. So I will give the new column name as a length only. It's working. Give me 2 minutes. Sorry. So this is the our column name. So I will just give the length. So now if you want to know the length, is very easy function. We just need to give the column name, nothing else. So in our scenario, name is a like a column name. I will give, and I will just close the bracket. Now you can see it will give the number of character from the each records. So now for the first record you can see that we have the 10 characters like RAM 3, then again like KHATRIY. So 9 plus 1 10. So Sham again 10, then again 10. So now we will see the find function. So again I will click on the new column. So find also again very easy syntax. So I will give the column name as a find only, and I will just enter the find and which text we want to find. Now suppose we want to find a space, right? And within text, so on like which text we want to find. So again our column name is name. So like suppose we are not giving any start position and end position. So these are the optional, like we can use as per your requirement. Start position, like it will start from the first number 1. So I will close the bracket. Now you can see it will find the space between RAM. After that we have the space, so it will find a space like space index position. So like we have the space for the fourth index, then at the second we have the space after the sixth index, and here also like respective for the each record it will show. Now we will see the left function. So what left will do, it will find the like I will just click on the new column and I will enter the I will give the column name as a first name. So like first name, I will enter the left. So now we need to give the text, like within which text we want number of characters from the left hand side. So I will give the name again, and how many characters we want here. So we want till the fourth position. So here what I will use, I directly use the find. So either we can give the manually 1 2 3 4, or we can use the find. Here I have used the find because find till this fourth position we want the number of characters. So I will close the bracket. Now you can see it will give the all the first name. So I just click on the yes button and it will give the all the first name. So now you can see that it will return the first name. Now what we want the last name. So again I will click on the new column and I will give the name as like a last name, and here we are using the right because left right we want specific characters. So right, and what is the text we want, like number of characters. So again text is our name column, name column, sorry, here we need to give the emp name. And suppose we want to minus this whole number of characters minus this find, so it will give the uh, last name. So what we'll do, so number of characters we use length minus find. So we already find the length, whole character length, and then minus that find. So it will give the last name. And now suppose we want only like 2 characters, 3 characters from the specific index. So again I will click on the new column. So I think I click on the new table, sorry. So I will just click on here and I will click on the new column. So I will click on the new column and I will give the name as a like mid only. I will enter the syntax for the mid and I will give the like text name is again our name column. And suppose we want start position is like 2 characters or maybe the third index, and we want 2 characters. So you can see what it will return. So it will return like we are starting from the this one m, and number of characters. Here you are wondering why it will show only 1 character, because it's considered blank as a 1 character. So that's why for the first record it will return the only m, and then after that it will have the space. So that's all about the today's video. Do you have any question? Please write down in comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you all.